Oh, you gotta search?
Yes.
Oh, no problem.
I don't think she doesn't have any bag or anything.
Oh, so we have to put all our stuff them inside of
Well,
this.
let me see. I don't know how they do it in electronics.
So yeah, welcome to Universal Orlando Resort. Ready. Let's take the picture.
I'm gonna take one.
And this is our picture. Man. Nah, like pretty bad. Look good. No joke, no doubt. Up there they have wine and stuff. Oh. Oh, that Bob? That's Bob. Yeah, Bob. Bob Marley. Yeah. Yeah, massive bless up and respect. You don't know. Big up to everybody who actually stay tuned right now and wait for the premiere and ready to watch the video. As you can see, this is a massive parking lot. So welcome to everybody to this channel. You don't know, Jamaica Walk By. If you're new here, my name is Fabian. You don't know, this is Jamaica Walk By, where we tour Jamaica and the world. You understand? Jamaica mostly do. But right now we are at our Disney's. Alright, who can talk to me and tell me? Alright, Lexi, tell me, where are we now?
Okay, so today we're over by Universal Studios. So we're going by Universal CityWalk. So Universal CityWalk is basically a section of Universal Studios or Universal Park that is free. So it has a lot of shops. It has a boardwalk, attraction, restaurants. So you can come and pull your item. And if you feel as if you want to go to one of the parks, you can do that afterwards. But we're just gonna take on the city walk today and see what it has to offer.
That is it. So, whoa, you feel it a shake? It a shake. Yeah. So we're just gonna walk through, show you exactly what City Walk look like, and then we're gonna go by Disney Springs. Zane, so let's see. It's the first time for me. I don't know what the place look like, but all me can tell us is this place is highly sophisticated. I can see like maybe about thousands of car park. Place car park. Swear to God. So let's just check out the full tour. So we are at the parking lot and we are gonna go down to the venue. So we have to go in an elevator.
So this should be the third floor.
Right. Yeah. So let's press attractions. Let's see where it takes us.
So can you tell us about your YouTube channel?
Yes. My YouTube channel is a very new channel. It's Janiela Faye. And basically, I do travel, wellness, and culture videos. So it's like a mixture of everything.
That is it. So massive, if I'm not sure which one of them video I drop first, but if you actually watch the other video of me walking downtown Orlando,
yes,
it was with Janella Faye. See? So now see a real personality I got beat out in that video there. Cause she kinda look shy right here now. And we soon change up that. Not true?
Yes.
That is it. So massive, I say parking on top of parking. At first me personally ever see so much parking and a massive parking garage.
Yes, I know. And most of the parking is upstairs.
Most of the parking upstairs.
Yeah, so that whole part, that's why they had it blocked off. So
That is it.
yes.
Lexi, have you ever seen that such a big parking garage?
No. Today.
So yeah, massive, I'm gonna endorse and blast this piece of equipment right here. So this is my daughter Kylie, if you don't know. Yeah, but coming overseas, we realize that this is one of the best buy we ever purchased, because it can carry all of us,
Not you. Not you.
all of the load.
Carry the both of us.
It also has the water bottle right there. And thing, I'm gonna put a link to the Amazon inside of the description where you can actually get this product here. Yeah, so you can pull it, you can push it, and all of that. And if you're tired, you can actually put your load and stuff inside of it, and it will go through. It also has a cover. You think we should put the cover on it? Or not yet? All right. Yeah, there's a cover to block the sun out and stuff like that. So yeah. So rock stone. So we have wait, what's the name for this?
It's kind of like a escalator, but it's not elevator.
So no tell me the right name for this. So it's not.
They call this one, but
It's not a.
but this is the one I was talking about yesterday, where it's like if you tried to walk it,
Oh.
it's like a magnetic pull kind
Oh,
of.
some airboat have it.
So yeah, if you try to start walking, you start to feel like something is pulling
It's
you
a
back.
wee.
Yeah. So massive. We can still walk on it though, don't it?
Yeah, you can.
You want to go faster?
You'll feel weird because it feels like something's pulling you back because it's kind of like a magnetic thing that they have. Yeah. I mean, you can still walk it. It kind of took a weird feeling that you get when you walk it.
You know walk it.
Yeah.
All right. So let's see how you feel.
Rest your foot there.
Rest your foot them. Or this is a perfect sign of telling you that you have a far way to go.
Literally, yeah, so far. You can see it's over there.
Wow. This place is massive.
They have a movie theater. Yes. The one I like Disney Springs one better though. They
Why
have,
look like it has slowed down?
3D. No, it's not. They have a 3D movie.
Push it next. Can look at people that walk faster that way. Show it, let me see. Because people legitly walk faster that way. Oh yeah, feel weird, but can go through. Kind of when I walk, I feel like a Superman. Yeah. Got it? I think you should really pull it instead of push it.
Because I want her to be in front of me.
Alright.
And I can see her.
Alright. So we're heading to Disney Springs and we're gonna do City Walk first. Yeah. So welcome to everybody who is actually tuned in right now watching this video. Let's go have some fun and let me show you what City Walk look like. Yeah. Oh, we're taking a different road from everybody. One little wash. Massive place. So over there is where the shuttle bus for the resorts will drop you off. If you decide to take the shuttle bus to come here, I believe the shuttle bus are free. So once you're booked into the hotel, most of the hotel have a shuttle bus that drop you here, and you can go inside and all of the good stuff. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, that's cool. So let's go. Yeah. I'm not sure which center it is. So okay, yeah, all bus transportation there and stuff like that. Beautiful place. Beautiful. So beautiful. All right. Oh, you gotta search?
Yes.
Oh, no problem.
I don't think so. She doesn't have any bag or anything.
Oh, so we have to put all our stuff them inside of
Well,
this.
let me see. I don't know how they do it. out your cameras? I'm sorry? Do you have to take out the camera and the phones out of the bag? No, leave them in the bag, but you have to put them in the bag. Okay.
Oh, okay. All right, so we're gonna go through security with this camera. Can I put this also in the same bin?
I'm not talking about a regular camera.
No, like if something like even this, a GoPro. Can I put this in the bin too? Okay. All right, so we will be right back. All right, all set. So we have to stop to put the camera in the bin. So that's a security check. So if you're coming here, be prepared to do your security checks right here. Make sure that you're clean. No weapons are allowed. All right, then we are off again. Hey Kylie, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, so if you don't know, that's Lexi, that is my spouse right there, my beautiful queen. Looking up. Where's your glasses? Oh, you take off this one. Yeah. And if you're just joining, this is Janella Faye, YouTuber as well. And we're here. Back on the escalator. The flat escalator. Man. Yeah. Woo.
You see?
Nice.
You felt it, right?
Yep. So we're going to walk on it as it moves.
The back part.
Oh. Yo, this really bring you a far away, you know? Like a far away real quick. Like this is a great invention.
Walkway exit is approaching. Please watch your step.
I was like 5 years old.
Yeah.
You got it that time.
Oh, actually it was the other way around.
Yeah.
Look at this. So if you don't want to walk, you go on the super walk. So if you know it named super walk. Super walk. Look good. What about the super walk? Lexi, hyper walk. So we're on the hyper walk. Woo! I feel excited, man. Off the hyper walk.
Awesome. With the sun thing now.
Yeah, that would be a good idea. All right, so as I was telling you about this truck, if you want it, you'll get it in the description below. So you don't know where I'm gonna sell it to. This is how you do it. All right, Lexi will get the stick. Yeah, you can get the sticks. So you just easily do this with the back. So if you want this, the link is gonna be in the description too, so you can purchase this thing right here. Very easy to.
Not that easy.
Your quiz?
Nah, no.
Yeah.
Nah, squeeze.
Alright, so and then they're easily snapped on by this. Right.
Yeah, adult one. Yeah, the adult one with the engine.
Right?
And there you go. This is what it looks like. Really nice. Wow.
So should have one little fun.
Look at it. Mad. Very cool invention. So yeah, welcome to Universal Orlando Resort. Let's go. So we're gonna show you exactly what this place looks like in 2024. Man, so beautiful. Universal Orlando Resort. Beautiful. Loads of places to eat, everything. Wow. So nice. Lexi, hold this. I'm gonna fix my shoes.
So,
Oh my God.
what should persons look for here in City Walk? What are some of the spots that you think it's a must that you go to?
It depends on what you're here for. So some people like to go to the theater because they have like a lot of the more like recent movies and stuff. I think they also have the 3D experiences. So like when you're watching the movie, it'll be in 3D. So that's one thing. So aside from the movie theater, there's a lot of shops here. So of course, if you want stuff that's like, I guess, branded by Universal and stuff like that, there's a lot of people that are into all of the cartoons and stuff. And yeah, I want to do that.
What about food?
Food, yeah. So there's a food court up there.
What's your pick? What's your food pick?
Well, I have a spot, and we're gonna walk past it. So it's a surprise. But that would be my first pick here. So you'll see.
Alright.
And
Yeah.
then we trust our judgment because she have Jamaican blood in her.
Oh, right.
So we don't say, I don't know, crazy type of something away. So weird type of.
Yeah, so if you've never been to this place, trust me, this is what it looks like, and we're gonna give you a detailed description as to what this place looks like and what it has to offer. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful place. Wow. Wow. So we're just going through this place randomly, showing you how beautiful it is. Wow. Wow. This is such a place for your entire family. Where? Oh, like to see what it looks like? Yeah, we can just walk around a little bit and see what's what. Yeah. There is so much thing to do here. Hold up. Oh, there's even a ferry. Oh. Annie.
You remember them? But when they keep on them,
Yeah,
like,
man.
they
Over New York there. Cross county. So, what is this? Is a fan with ice?
The water is at the bottom, and you can spray and
Oh. Like a cool mist. Ah.
so like we spray it. And then down there you can get on the boat.
Where does the boat go?
It just goes around.
Okay.
It's like this one from here.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow, this is beautiful. Universal Studio. Universal CityWalk. Wow. You got a job.
Beautiful.
Wow. Man. Beautiful. Wow. Nice. Trixie, picture. Yeah, where's your phone? Yeah. Ready? Alright, me have my phone. Go on. Ready? Get ready, get ready.
Just put the water.
Ready? Yay! Yeah! Pretty! Run, take this, take this. Fit me in. Ready. Let's take the picture.
Oh. Say hi.
Got it?
I went to the globe spin.
Alright.
Never get the unicorn.
Oh, yeah.
Never get the unicorn. Just spin so slow.
Kaya look.
One,
Ready?
2,
Steady.
wait,
Shoot.
3.
Got it?
Yes.
Nice.
You don't want a picture?
Yeah, I'm gonna take one.
And this is our picture. Come on.
I have it on portrait mode.
Nice. Ready?
Yes, I have it on portrait mode.
Alright. Are we gonna wait? No.
That's the only thing. You have to wait a whole 2 minutes for it to turn around.
How much I give? 2? Alright. Get ready. Let's do it. Wait. Hold up.
Got it?
No, not yet. Wait. Right about now. Bomb rush it. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is beautiful. I understand. What is over there?
Oh, okay, that's to get in. So
Get in the park.
Yeah.
If we were to get a ticket. Yeah, so we have to head back now to back
yeah,
where
we're
we're
going
going.
opposite side, or we can go down that way and go around.
Around. Alright, let's do that.
Yeah.
Put her back in our machine.
Yep.
Yeah. So this is actually the entrance to go by the park. Oh, this part is the exit. So you exit here and you enter up there. Yeah. To go by the water park and all of them something there, which we are going to do. We are definitely going to do this. Alright. So this is the Universal Studio.
Yeah.
Park entrance.
That is like.
So this is what at this one ride that I bought, Lexi?
Eh?
At this ride that I bought?
No, this is when it's a Universal Studios.
I don't
No, I
remember.
think you were talking about Volcano Bay.
No, I want my uncle. That I
At
bought.
Disney, we don't have one.
Think at Disney.
Wait, for what?
Like to go there. I think he used to work there. Yeah. So basically both all of this is the boardwalk.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, from up
The city
here
walk.
all the way down.
Alright.
Universal City.
So let's-
So it's completely free to come to this park.
Yes.
So you don't have to pay.
You have to pay for parking.
Look at that. What's that?
Yeah, twist
Man, what's that?
Me.
Go backwards.
Not me.
Yeah, there's
No.
one where you go all the way up and it just go back. Backward, lights shut off, everything.
Not me, girl.
Oh. So how much is it to go over there?
So it depends, and
I seen-
it really depends on how you do the tickets and where you get the tickets from,
Mm.
and the time of year. So you see how it's not that many people and stuff like that right now,
Yeah.
because it's after the 4th and everything. So the tickets are probably kind of low right now. So when you go in the off season, you can get it for like maybe $50, $60 for the day.
Yeah.
But it can go all the way up to like 200 and stuff, just depending on what type of tickets.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, but there are some places where you have discounts, you know, depending on where you work, your credit cards too. So if you have credit cards, you have different reward programs and stuff that you can redeem. So there's just a little different depending on where you get them from. So.
I got you. Well said. The way that right there go on a while ago, it look like me that go over there.
Yeah, man.
Go find out how it go. But you have to buy the ticket online, you can't buy it at the gate or anything.
Yeah, you can buy
Universal.
I think we have to plan for that.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't necessarily have to. Universal is not as overwhelming as Disney because you don't have the park hop. You know, Disney, you really want to. If you're going to Disney, you really want to see the actual parks and stuff. Yeah. So, but yeah, it's good.
Hard Rock. So this is Hard Rock Cafe.
Yeah, that's the big deal. The Hard Rock. It's not the main one though. The one that's connected to the hotel. The one that's
Yeah.
to the cars. That's the one in Miami. Yeah. But it's a big experience in there.
So what do you have in there? Food and stuff?
Yeah, but it's like a big production and stuff like that. It's really nice.
You have to pay to go in there or you can just go inside?
You can go inside, but you have to do reservation and stuff. So at the door, I think they take a reservation.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
And that is the famous Hulk ride.
What?
Green one. And when you come out, it's like, wow, man, that was good. I see that means sitting down going that. Right? You like it like that? Oh, and the chocolate.
I want to see this, man. Yeah, you want to come up and step? Let me not make it no. Come and lift it up. All right. Wow. We are trying to see this place. It's beautiful. Pretty. Nah, like pretty bad. Look good. No joke, no doubt. Wow. Wonder what's inside there.
I've not been inside there. I've heard people talk about it.
Why, it's a food place or what?
No, it's a chocolate. So everything, you get chocolate everything here. It's like a sweet.
Alexis say inside. Let's see what's going on. Let's go in it. Why the sun sitting here really coming in handy now, see? Kylie would have burn up you now. Let's go. So this is wheelchair accessible and stroller everything. And you can park your car them over here so. Lexi, you're not drive good, man. I don't think so. Go over there. Oh, we can? Lex. Oh, yeah. Inside. Turn up your driving skill now, Lexi, yeah. Wow. Wow. Jeez. Oil. Everything.
Thank you.
Wow. There's so much stuff. You want to get her something? Alright, now come.
True, babe, where are you?
Up there they have wine and stuff. Oh. Oh, yeah, some of these things. They have coffee beans spinning upside there. Going through some tube, coming all the way back through. Something is like they're being processed and thing as we speak, mixing some things together. Wow. Hello. Alright, that was the look inside of the chocolate factory.
Like Charlie.
Alright, we're going out. You can go. What name? Yeah.
We didn't see Charlie, so Charlie wasn't in.
She said Charlie never did it. Yeah.
Chocolate. $3 for $20. I really wanted to buy one for her, but I don't feel like it.
Just they want to sample something.
Yeah, like if they had like a no, one of those. Yeah.
The look of the place though is so inviting.
Yeah, and then and the other side they had some like you know they have like nuts like almond with chocolate.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna give her them because of choking hazard. Yeah, but they're not that serious. Yeah.
The building is very inviting though.
Yeah.
Well, okay, so the other side of that is like a good experience. So
They make it in point.
Probably would have tried one milkshake when we're near to go home. I don't know my belly with the pan. Yeah, if you're lactose, you know what that means. What is over here now? Here is where? Alright, let me go to the front. Yeah, we can go around like for the entrance and just come back on. Yeah, we can just go around and come on. We just now go through the gate. Island of Adventure. That's the name of it. So the name of the park is
Island of Adventure.
Island of Adventure. Alright. Beautiful.
I don't know if they still do that, but the cat in the hat stand inside the park, the green eggs and ham. People, I don't know, I guess it's edible. People chewing it, I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
And they do have fans up here, so when you're walking, you feel the air kind of,
It kind of cool down the place a little bit.
It does.
Hot, man. Kaide just relax and enjoy your ride. Yay! So let you out, make you go run.
I think those people are having a blast when they come here because you keep watching this thing and then you can get souvenirs and this and that. So
So we'll go on the opposite side. That's where we entered that way. And right.
Yeah, we're coming from there. We're gonna go.
Oh.
Let me guess, you have many pictures in this chair, right?
No.
Ready? One. Come in, my turn. Bossy.
Photogenic.
Come on, type people them cheer. Come on.
Yeah, get up.
Yeah.
Alright, let's continue.
That is it. Go.
Wait, let me check.
You want more inside? We're going inside?
Well, we'll have to go up.
Oh, they don't have any. Yeah, go. Yeah, she said. Yeah. Thanks. So if you're just joining, we are currently at Universal CityWalk with Lexi now drive the truck properly. What's going on? So, yeah, Universal Studio. Touring the boardwalk to show you what it looks like. There's loads of things to do and a whole variety of food to eat. Place for your entire family. And yeah, so far we see 2 Universal Studio Park and another park somewhere over there. Yeah, so we're just touring the City Walk so you can see exactly what the place looks like. It's beautiful. And I love the design of like every single one of the buildings, the way they do it. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, man. That's it. We're there. We're there. We're there. Yeah. It's where that name Fat Tuesday. You're Lexi? Yeah, carry it to Trenchtown. Almost Trenchtown Rock. Yeah, brother. We're there. It's a vibe, it's beautiful, it's nice.
Trenchtown might be closed because I think they mostly do like.
So you're actually serious saying that you're taking us to Trenchtown?
It might be closed now because they start a little bit late. And
Yeah.
sometimes
Oh. Trenchtown. Oh yeah, for real. Look at this. She wasn't kidding. Actually really have a place called Trenchtown and thing. Yeah. Oh, that Bob? That's Bob. Yeah, Bob. Bob Marley. Yeah. Come in, Lexi. Come take the picture. Yeah, take a picture. No, you stand up right at the gate.
yeah, tell them that you're transported.
Ready? Yeah. That is it. Oh yeah, can go on it. Stay there. Bob Marley. Ready? Man.
So we can go in.
Yeah, I'm going a little bit. I don't know, they kind of changed it up a little bit.
Let me see. Let's see if we can go into Trenchtown and thing. Yeah, right, that's the closest thing to me feeling like Jamaica, me there. That man say, I probably hear say look locked.
It's closed right now, but there's like a yeah, that's where it is, so it's closed. But in there, I don't know if you can.
Man. This is what it looks like.
Ain't nobody in here.
Go on, we're gonna see. If nobody, if it's not right, then run we out. But I want to see it. So we're there in a Trenchtown. Can't really forward enough. Seeing a this place. Could you be? Sing out, Bob. Oh, you mean? That's the name Trenchtown. Make us see what go on. You know how Bob Marley thing them say, you know, everything have Then copyright. You know it thing go. Lion. So right now we're there, so Trench Town. Let's see what go on. Jamaica in a foreign, you understand? Real Jamaica in a foreign. Look good. Look good. Jamaica in a foreign. It's beautiful. Mad thing. Wow. Jaja no. Beautiful.
And then upstairs they have
More stuff. I wonder where stairs there. Oh, go on. Restroom. Restroom there, so. How we go upstairs? Yeah, more see it. I wonder how we reach up there. I can see where I go. Oh. Look on them, man.
Alright, you guys go ahead and come back.
Rita. Bob himself.
I'm going outside here.
Alright, you come here. Alright, we're gonna see how upstairs look. Man. Let's see. Yeah.
We did a long journey, walk all the way
Wow.
to Orlando.
Look good. We're in a Bob Marley place. You understand? This is the closest me feel like me there Jamaica. Yeah, man. You actually feel like Jamaica, you know? Like it was there somewhere, a verse, a fun around and them thing there. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Look good. So this place is actually called Trench Town, over on Universal City Walk. Wow. Rockstone, yeah. So right now the place is not officially opened as yet. I just show we both see. Why we say, yo, me not for this and me not see this place here. So, all if they lock me want to pass through it and look. Hello. Wagwan. That is it. She don't understand nothing what me I say. You can see it on her face and she say, what? Okay.
See, you're learning.
Yeah. Yeah. So massive, if you're just watching, this is Janella Faye. That is a YouTuber. I'm asking you to subscribe to her channel. No joke, no doubt. As you walk through Trench Town. Yeah, road to 5,000 subscribers. Let's get her there. Quick and fast. But you know what that means? You gotta start doing more content. Yeah, man. Let's go. Wow. No joke, no doubt. That was great. Nice. Yeah. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. That is it. What do you mean? Yeah. Hey! Here's our at the front. Alright. We can go around. Oh. You take a picture? Yeah. The massive. Look good. Universal City Walk was just amazing. Yeah, I love the vibe, I love the energy and thing. Look on the place. Wow. Woo! In a foreign. In a foreign. Look good. Look good. Wow. People coming in, people going. Wow. Wow. So if you're just watching and you don't know what Universal City Walk looks like, this is it. This is a full tour and this is free. So you can actually do this. Come here, sit, eat, food everywhere. Tons of things to do. We're going to enjoy the place right now after this video. There's tons of things to do. Wow. Wow. Super. Yeah, man. Wow. So nice. Yeah, what a walk. Oh my word. Like so, you look so hungry. Look like you're hungry, I know. Me too. Hungry too?
Yes.
That is it. No joke, no doubt.
You walk off, you eat.
So yeah, that's it for the Universal City Walk. Now so,
Pretty much. The only thing we haven't done was the boat ride.
the boat ride.
Yes.
Is it free? I'm just trying to find out like all the stuff them that they pretty much can do for free here.
I believe so. It just depends. Like the last time I was here was a while ago. Sometimes they change. Last time I was here, yes, it was free.
Free.
The one in the Disney Springs is also. It's similar to that, but it's not as big. That one kind of comes a little bit more.
Oh.
So that one is also free.
So we're not sure if the boat ride is actually free.
Yes.
I can find out if I find out and it's free, you probably see that part on the video. But if not, bless up, big up, thank you so much for watching. That was the boardwalk, the New York City boardwalk. You know, so much things to do. We love the New York City and then some
Yesterday did Kingston.
Yesterday I did Kingston. So
Orlando.
yeah. So right now that's the city walk for Orlando. So it's Disney Spring, But this is alright. So it is Universal City Walk. Yeah, don't mind me. Yeah, that's how we stay. So it's Universal City Walk. Me I got too much place, people. Too much place me I go them I get confusing. But yeah, you want to do the outro? Wait till we come out and copyright. So yeah, this is the City Walk or the boardwalk as them call it. It's just great. It's just beautiful. I love all the stores, whole heap of food places and all of that. And it's free to just come here, walk, eat food and all of that. If you want to go in the Universal Studio, you got to pay for that. You understand? There's another park over there. Remember what you said that was name again? The other park. Island, yeah. Island of Adventure.
Another part that you have to pay for.
Yeah, that's another part that you have to pay for. But so far, everything else is free. Big up to the Bob Marley place. You don't know Trenchtown.
Yeah.
No joke, no doubt as we move through. Blessed love and respect. Janella Faye, and that's it for the boardwalk. Mad thing, we outside. See? Bless up and respect. We outside. See? Yeah.
Tell you it's like what sun? I know where. Sun where?
Sun weird. Yeah. Let's go.